Which element in the modern periodic table has the same number of valence electrons as that of cesium? Answer is option C, potassium. Friends, both potassium and cesium belong to group first of the periodic table, also known as alkali metals. Elements in the same group of the periodic table have the same number of valence electrons. Which one is not a component to construct Human Development Index in India under UNDP? Answer is option A, infant mortality rate. Which among the following articles of the Indian Constitution provides for the Attorney General of India? Answer is option B, Article 76. Friends, if we understand in detail, the Attorney General is the highest law officer in the country and provides legal advice to the Government of India. The Attorney General is appointed by the President of India. The Attorney General can appear in any court of law in India and can also participate in the proceedings of the Parliament. Who among the following authored Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? Answer is option D, Dadabhai Naoroji. Friends, Dadabhai Naoroji was popularly known as the Grand Old Man of India. He is the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament. He helped found the London Indian Society and East India Association. In 1885, Dadabhai Naoroji became a vice president of the Bombay Presidency Association. He was Congress president thrice in 1886, 93 and 1906. Nuakhai is an annual harvest festival in which of the following states? Answer is option A, Odisha. Friends, Nuakhai is an annual harvest festival in Odisha celebrated to welcome the season's new rice. Celebrated a day after Ganesh Chaturthi, Nuakhai is the most auspicious and important social festival in western Odisha and the neighboring areas of Simdega in Jharkhand. In national income accounting, GVA stands for? Answer is option D, gross value added. Which of the following festivals of Tripura is celebrated for 7 days starting from the 7th day of the Bengali month of Vaisakh? Answer is option C, Geriya worship. Friends, Geriya Puja is a religious festival which is celebrated with great fervor in the state of Tripura. The festival is celebrated on the 7th day of the month of Vaisakh to worship Lord Geriya, who is known as the Lord of the household. Where is India's first women police station located? Answer is option C, Kozhikode, Kerala. Friends, the station was inaugurated by the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi on 27th of October 1973. The first sub-inspector in women's police station was M. Padmavati. Which of the following Indian states receive rainfall during October and November due to the northeast monsoon? Answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Which of the following hills is a part of the Western Ghats? Answer is option B, Anaimalai Hills. Friends, Anaimalai Hills, also known as the Elephant Mountains, is a part of the Western Ghats, a mountain range that runs parallel to the western coast of India. The Western Ghats is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is home to many endemic species of flora and fauna. During Alauddin Khilji's reign, the cloth market was known as blank. Answer is option B, Sarai-e-Adl. Sarai-e-Adl was a market established by Alauddin Khilji to regulate the trade of cloth and prevent fraudulent practices. The market was located in Delhi and was known for its strict regulations and fair prices. What does the five interlinked rings in the Olympic flag represent? Answer is option D, continents. Friends, if we understand in detail, the Olympic flag has a white background with five interlocked rings in the center. The five interlocking rings colored blue, yellow, black, green and red. The five rings represent the five continents of the world: Europe, Asia, Africa, the Americas and Oceania. The symbol was originally designed in 1913 by de Coubertin. Which method is used for the purification of bauxite ore? Answer is option C, leaching. Friends, leaching is used for the purification of bauxite ore. Leaching is a process that is used in extractive metallurgy. The leaching of aluminum oxide from bauxite is called Beer's process. The process was invented by an Austrian Carl Joseph Beer in 1888 AD. Anemometer measures. Answer is option D, speed of air. Krishnadev Rai composed a work on blank in Telugu known as the Amuktamaliyada. Answer is option A, statecraft. Friends, Amuktamaliyada is a Telugu composition that describes the story of the wedding of Lord Vishnu and Andal, a devotee of Vishnu. The work also includes advice on statecraft and governance. Krishnadev Rai was a ruler of the Vijayanagar Empire. Vijayanagar Empire was founded in the 14th century by Harihar and Bukka of the Sangam dynasty. They made Hampi the capital city. In 1986, Hampi was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Where famous Baneshwar Fair takes place? Answer is option C, Dungarpur. Friends, if you understand in detail, Baneshwar Fair is a popular tribal fair held in Dungarpur district in Rajasthan state of India. This festival, held on the full moon day of February or marks Shukla Purnima. Baneshwar Fair is related to Bhils tribe. The book published by Charles Darwin is marked as the landmark in the study of evolution. Answer is option A, the emperor of all maladies. The color of cow's milk is slightly yellowish due to presence of. Answer is option A, carotene. Friends, the color of cow's milk is slightly yellowish due to the presence of carotene. The amount of yellow color in milk depends upon the amount of green feed given to cows. This is because plants do not contain vitamin A but contain its precursors provitamin A and carotenoids. These are converted to vitamin A when ingested by animals. Which is the most suitable unit for expressing a nuclear radius? Answer is option D, Fermi. Why do soap solution bubbles appear colored? Answer is option C, interference.